Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I am going to show you how to use Google Calendar like a pro in just 5 minutes. So if you want to stay organized, plan your days and never miss an event again, stick around and let's get started. So first of all, open your browser and go to the calendar.google.com and make sure you have signed in with your Google account. You can also download the Google Calendar app on your phone. It syncs everything automatically. Let's create our first event in here. You just need to be click the create button or just click of any date or time slot on the calendar. Like this way, we just want to select this 131, and once I click over here, then here you just need to be add the title, like where you want to create the event. Like here you just need to give a title, that flight for Germany, and here actually you just need to be click to the save, and then just click save. Pick the date and time and set how long it will last. You can add locations, video conferencing like Google Meet, and even invite people by adding their emails. You just need to click to save, and your event is completely ready. Like if you want to repeat an event when creating or editing an event, you just click does not repeat and choose how often. Like here you just need to select an event and then click to the edit. Once you click over here, from that place you just need to be select that it does not repeat. So here more action, just click on this one and let's find out what is the option. So from that place, when creating or editing an event, just click does not repeat. So here you can see we already selected that does not repeat and choose how often, daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Perfect for classes, workouts, or regular team meeting. Then you just need to be add reminders. Never forget an appointment. When you create or edit an event, scroll to notifications. So here let's come over that place, and you just need to scroll to the notification. You can set an email or pop-up reminder like 10 minutes, 1 hour, or even days before. You can add multiple reminders too. Then to stay organized, you can use color code on your events. Click on the event and pick a color, or create multiple calendars for work, personal, or school. Like here you just need to click this one, and from that place you just need to click this one and then click to the edit. Once you click over here, then here you can see a couple of options you have. You can change the owner, you can publish the event, you can do whatever you want in here. You can add description, you can add guest, you can change the color. Like I just want to change the color this way, and if I click save and come back here, you can see the color already been changed. So you can hide or show calendars with a click. So you can change how, like view options and shortcut, you can change how your calendar looks. You can make it daily, weekly, monthly. So here you can see I am watching only day. I want to make it a month. Now you can see the month already been created, and you can see that the event is showing in here. So use the buttons on the top right to switch views in here, and also you can use keyword shortcut like press D for the debut, W for week, and M for month. And net, like share your calendar. If you want to share it, like you just need to share your calendar with others. On the left in here, on the left you will find out the share option. Like you just need to hover over your calendar, click the three dots. Here you just need to hover on the calendar, and then you will eventually find it out. Share for people. In here you just need to be paste your Gmail address. You can share it with specific people or make it public if you want. And that's it for today. You just learn how to use Google Calendar in under 5 minutes. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below what productivity tools should I cover next. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.